Listen, I understand the brother and sister relationship where you and Whisper have. I'm now go upset the balance of that. But you say anything for do with my life and the agency work, I have to know.
Remember someone else that said I chat too much, And this is the first Whisper ever confided in me. Please understand that.
Alright. But I want you understand this. Is if anything go wrong, me I hold you responsible.
Me?
Me never stutter. Put it this way. If anything go wrong and I'm getting a problem, you will be held for holding information that could save your life.
Oh, Jesus. Shepherd said we have to allow some things to play out the way to play out. You understand what that means?
That means say we have to upset the balance of where we go on.
I saw me see too. I just don't want no I'm to Whisper.
Alrighty, here we are. I could just think positive. If they're in a deep sleep, I can't pressure him. So, we have an open mind, think positive, and hope for the best.
Yeah. I could think positive. I could call him because I don't tell him something like a
Yeah, Tony.
Welcome, big brother.
Yeah, going.
You alright?
Yeah, man, everything alright, man.
I just a check in for you for know what going. Yeah, stop by later?
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna link you when I'm done. I just want to make a quick stop and come link you, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Boss, chat to you yet?
Yeah, I talked to her this morning.
Yeah, man, good. So you're up on your block?
Yeah, my dad at the house.
Alright.
When say I come link you?
Yeah.
Alright. I come go on. I don't want him to come see me here. I feel like say, I ain't talk about nothing. So I talk to you later.
Alright, may I follow you outside?
Alright.
No, man. The number's up here now. Brother, why you so active, man?
Dancer, what kind of thing that's that? You come link now with all lick in your hand, brother. You look active. Put it down and look active. Look active. Yeah.
What, man?
There, you know.
Oh, look.
I touch me up, man.
Yeah, right in my back.
Right in my back, brother.
Yeah.
But I noticed that from the other day, like say, the feds in my circle of music, wicked.
Yeah?
Mm. So I don't want it look no way, you know? Because pass and see all two Rasta man in my park just stand up and talk, so the brothers are please say. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
business are going.
What says man in the clocks and man in my exercise?
Now you know say Rasta man stand up, man. Make a run. Yeah, keep active.
So, numbers. I smell camphor ball. Strong, strong, strong. You know smell it?
Yeah, man. I eat in my bag, brother.